Hi Nick, just a quick video about your rules of thumb and the text layer and the editability of it. So I'm just going back to this file that I sent through to you as you were preparing to come back from your great data loss. And this file that was called TM Factory template, if I open it up, because this is obviously the simplest one, it's just got the very basic sketches, outline, the different rules and the hand reference pages. If you look here at rules of TM and rule number, you can see that they've got this A next to them, and that's an indication that these are editable text layers, okay? So then when you go and tap on it, you can see this edit text option for each of them. Now, what happens is if I say, okay, I don't want to edit the text, what I want to do is just, let's try selecting it. No, let's just say I want to copy it, okay, and then go and put it into another file. So if I go in and put it into one of your more recent files, say if I put it up top here and say, all right, paste, you can see it's put in the rule there, but it's put it in as an inserted image. And that's what's happening here. You can see here, rules of Thumbman is coming as a layer and an inserted image, but this rule number is editable. So when you insert it as a layer from a previous file, it seems to come in as an image, not as an editable text. I don't know why it does that. It's annoying, but it looks like that's how Procreate does it. So what I would do, and certainly what I intended for you to do with this TM Factory template, is rather than copying layers out of it, is just to duplicate it. So duplicate like this, and then you've got a new version of it, and you can go about changing the various layers in it. Oops. So if you just duplicate your factory template, then you can adjust the text as you need to, so you can edit it. And you can then go in and edit your Thumbman sketch if you need to change the arm positions, you need to change the hand positions and those kinds of things. And then you don't have to deal with this whole not being able to edit the text. The other thing is what you've already been doing, which seems to be working quite well for you, is you generally don't need to edit the rules of Thumbman. That is pretty standard. It's a standard size, it's a standard position. What we're usually editing is the other stuff. So whatever the rule says, obviously that has to be flexible, and whatever the Thumbman position is has to be flexible. So what I would do, certainly first prize, is to use the duplicate function on this original Thumbman factory template file. But the other thing is that if you just bring in rules of Thumbman and use it as it is, you don't have to worry too much about it. It's really this rule that needs to be definitely editable. Hope that helps.